Today, I will go out alone. And I will speak English.
Okay, let's do this.
Do you have this in medium size?
I do.
Excuse me, where is the billing counter?
It's just over there. You head straight down this aisle.
No. I love the clothes at your shop and the prices are so reasonable. I love it.
Happy with all my shopping? Now let's get some nice coffee.
Can I have one cappuccino, please? It's time to pamper myself. Maybe a nice haircut? Let's go! I want a simple haircut. Just trim, please.
Ah, this perfume smells so nice. How much is this for? One step at a time, I am growing and becoming more confident. Mommy went shopping alone today and I am so